Hello everyone. So in this video, let us take a look at this question on the community. It is related to ScriptRunner, not really ScriptRunner, but the question is all about how to display the group memberships of the current assignee on the Jira issue. So let us say you're looking at one Jira issue and you have, let us say, one assignee. You can only have one assignee, and the requirement here is to display the current assignees groups. So that assignee can be part of multiple groups, at least few groups, and this user Nicole wants to maybe display that information on the Jira issue. So this can be done using ScriptRunner's script field feature. So you can create a scripted field and you can display this information. But first of all, so if you want to do it, you can basically do something like this, like for the current user. Of course, this is not really the full code, but using group manager, there is a method called get groups for the user. So if you pass in the user object, which in this case would be your assignee, you can achieve it, and you can then display it somewhere on the issue. And I have actually covered a few things, similar things related to group. So for example, if you want to add a user to a group or remove a user from a group, you can take a look at a couple of my videos. And basically this particular code here, it is basically doing something like removing a user from a group. But what I wanted to show you is this particular line. So basically using this component accessor get group manager and then get groups for the user, you can actually retrieve the group information. And creating a scripted field is actually very simple. And I'm assuming this is on server because you have tagged server here. So do give it a try. It is not at all difficult and a very simple thing to achieve. However, I would still ask Nicole why you want to do this, because I understand you may want to display it for some reason, maybe for reporting purpose, or I don't know why, but you still have this information in Jira. So if the user is part of a group, then what exactly you want to achieve by displaying the groups also on the Jira issue? I think it is probably duplicating it, or maybe you want to display the groups so that others can see some information that may be related to the groups. I'm not really sure. So possible, technically it is possible, and I don't really think it is going to be a complex script, maybe a few lines of code, but do think about it one more time if you want to simply retrieve something from the database and display it again on the Jira issue. So I thought I'll probably also mention it. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.